Anger. What place does anger have in my company? I don't think it has a place. I think it's all right if I'm angry that we're not hitting the targets we want. I think it's all right if I'm angry that my company's not achieving what I wanted to achieve. But I think if I just get angry, there's no solution. There's no place. In the previous tip, tip number 38, we talked about discipline, and anger has no place in dealing with an employee or in disciplining an employee. I can't be mad. If I'm angry, then what I need to do is go take a walk, calm down, be very rational about all of this. And anger is not a good thing. It's not good in my company. It's not good in my life. It's just not good. Anger impedes communication. Anger upsets other people. Anger, I think sometimes we use anger as a pry bar to either chase people away from us or to chase people away, to say, I'm sorry, I don't really want to talk to you because I'm angry. And I think people don't talk to us when we're angry. They run and hide, and they don't want to have conversation with us, so we don't communicate well, and therefore we don't get where we need. I watch owners and managers let employees continually do things that are not correct, that are not getting the company what it wants, the employee's not successful, and they're not ready to talk about it with the employee because they're not worked up enough. They're not, they don't want to have that conversation. It's unpleasant. It's uncomfortable for both parties, and therefore they have to wait until they get angry. If you are angry, go in your room, shut your door, be by yourself, go get an ice cream, go for a walk, whatever it is, but do not communicate with an employee while you're angry. It doesn't serve any purpose, and it will make people close up. It will make people passive aggressive. It will make people angry, upset, and unhappy, and that's not what you're trying to achieve. Employees that are comfortable, employees that feel successful, employees that have high self-esteem are high-performing employees, not employees that are beaten down or that are manipulated with anger. I want employees that feel good about themselves and feel good about their position, and so as a manager, anger has no place in my communication. What I try to do is be logical, help the employee come up with solutions to solve their problems, and help the employee reach and achieve their goals. And anger has no place. So if you are using anger, or if you are angry a lot in your company, I think you need to sit down and rethink that and how you go about it and how you do it. And I think if you do, it's going to help you be most successful in your communications with your employees and getting your employees to reach and achieve their goals. So what do we do with anger? We get rid of it. It's not an important part of communication. In fact, it's a bad thing, and it's not positive for us.
We hope you enjoyed this week's tip. For more information on the concepts we discussed, check out our upcoming classes at www.ifrabe.com/classes, or listen to the Leading Edge podcast at institutesleadingedge.podbean.com, where we discuss business topics just like this one with a panel of industry experts. You can also contact us whenever it's convenient, and we'll set up a free consultation on how the Institute can help you better your business, your life, and the industry as a whole. We'll see you guys next week.